Hello, my name is Johan Falk. I work at Node 1 Scandinavia. This is exercise 15 in the suite called Documentation Site, included in the Drupal 7 The Essentials book. We have come to the chapter dealing with rules, which is a pretty large and complex module and powerful module that you can use in Drupal 7. And we're going to look at this module in three separate exercises. I am afraid that we might stumble into a bug or two while doing this, because rules is still quite much in development and most of the modules integrating with rules are not yet ready, but we'll see about that. So this exercise is called Comment Notifications, and the user story goes like this. As site member, I would like to be notified when my content receives a comment. This is important since it helps me being aware of and respond to feedback. How to demo. Log into the site, verify that you can access the email that the user account uses, create a documentation page, log out and log in as another user, post a comment to the new documentation page. Okay, so we should post a comment using another user account. Verify that a notification is sent with a link to the comment. Okay, sent to the page author, I guess. Node author, let's call it node author, with a link to the comment. Log out and log in as the first user again, post a reply to the comment, verify that no notification is sent when a user is commenting her own content. Okay, so if someone else is commenting your content, then you will get a notification. If you do it yourself, you won't get a notification. That is something we definitely can do with rules. Here is the demo site we're building, and here is the module list. Rules. If you enable rules UI, rules user interface, and save, it says you have to enable the rules engine, rules core module, rule entity tokens and entity API. Fair enough. The entity tokens and entity API modules are very powerful and allow a lot of interesting data to be sent around and managed in a general way in Drupal. Okay, so when we work with rules, we find the stuff we want to work in configuration, workflow, and rules. I'm going to create a reaction rule. We could break this up into components, but I don't really see the point of that in this exercise. So I'm adding a new rule here. I'm going to call it comment notification. It will react on the event after saving a new comment. Okay, save. After saving a new comment, we can add conditions. Let's wait with that. Let's start with the actions, because that is where the action is. Okay, we should select an action, and what we want to do is to send an email. So let's see if we can find an action for this. Send mail, that seems like it. To, who should we send this to? And here we can switch to data selection. We can, here if we open up the replacement patterns, we get a long list of stuff. But much easier is to use the data selection here. And then we have node. No, we have comment. There should be some kind of thing here. Comment colon. Ooh, something here is kind of broken. Comment node should, yes, and from the node we can collect author, yes, and from the author we can select mail. Okay, this is not the way it should appear. Hopefully it is better when you do this, and some more bugs have been fixed. Okay, so we should send an email to the comment node author mail. What should we send? There is, well, this is subject. New comment to, and then let's find the the title of the node. I'm going to search here for node colon. Oh, it's not here. Alright, I'm pretty sure we can find it when doing like this instead. Comment node title should work. You can copy paste stuff from the data selectors and use these as tokens as well if you use the brackets. The replacement list would risk becoming infinite if they allowed chaining too many objects after each other, so that's why they're restricted to, I guess, 1 or 2 steps. Okay, the message. New comment has been posted to your... we can try this. I'm not sure that this will work, but we'll see. To your node colon type. So to your documentation page, title of the documentation page. You can view the comment at, and then I want to find a link to the comment. Comment URL, that's it. Kind regards, the robot at site name. Great. From, we don't enter any from here. We just want to have the standard system email address here. Save. Okay, so after saving new comment, send an email. But we don't want to do this all the time. We only want to do it if you're not if the person writing the comment is not the same as the person writing the node. So that means we have to add a condition here. And we're going to do data comparison, the top choice here. That is a very wide, well, it seems like a few options here, but data comparison is like 10 times the size of all the other here put together. Data comparison. The first one is, say, the comment author. Here's a drop down that the way it should look. So comment colon means we can keep dig down here. Comment author. Continue. Comment author should be different from. Oh, we only have the equals. Then we have to use the negate here. Should be different from the comment node author. This is so slick. Save. Okay. So after saving a new comment, these should be different, then send an email. Now, what I'm going to do is actually not send an email, but just display a message on the site. So I'm going to go into this mail here and copy the message. Go back one step, add an action, and I'm just going to display the message here that's found and show a message on the site. Here. Okay, message sent to, and this was comment node author mail, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to check this before saving, or before finishing the screencast at least. Colon, then I'm going to put in a BR here. BR because this is HTML. It gets outputted as HTML. Okay, like that. So let's see, just verify that comment node author mail. Yes, that was it. Right. That should be it. Let's see how it works in the next screencast, the demonstration screencast. See you there. Bye.